how tornadoes can damage mobile homes, roofs, vehicles, and trees. Outdoor objects may be tossed about. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Stoneham and New Raymer. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. If a tornado is spotted, seek shelter inside a sturdy building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for northeastern Weld County, at 4:48 p.m. Mountain Daylight. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 5:30 p.m. At 4:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Raymer, or 27 miles north of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Stoneham and New Raymer. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.